Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And microphone is not working. In this video, I will show you how to resolve this issue. Then what is the issue? That's why it is not working the microphone. So first, click to start. This is first method. Click to start and then click to setting. After that, click on scroll down privacy and setting. Then scroll down and click on the microphone. After that, if it is turned off, so please turn on it. Okay, and given the access which applications if you want, suppose Microsoft Team is not working this microphone, so you can allow it. Okay, sound recorder also, Chrome also. Okay, if any other also you can allow it. Okay, and then close it. This is first method and very important. Okay, then click to system and then click on sound. So first select speaker which one. Okay, so if you are connected like two more speaker like Bluetooth, wireless, wired. Okay, so you have to set the default. Okay, otherwise you are confused about this. So you can click to start type control panel, open it, select a view by category first one, and then click hardware and sound, and then click on sound. After that, this is your speaker, and you can see which is your default, if it, which is your want to set the default. So you can select it and click to set default. Okay, so it will show 2 to 3. After that you can set the default which one you require the sound from your system. Okay, and this is your recording window and your microphone. So same thing happening if you by this is your by default. Okay, Realtek audio try audio, this is your by default. Okay, so if you are connected Bluetooth speaker, and suppose in this microphone also inbuilt, so it will detect from this. So select and this set default it. Okay, and then close it. And also in the system sound, the volume is set 100% it. Okay, so set channels also, volume one, and you can test also. If you see it's going hello, yeah, it's activity also there. Now you can play it. Okay, and then close it. Then last and very important for your system, click to start type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type this command sfc space less than now, and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage. It will take some time, and after that it will complete it 100%. Then need to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you guys. If your issue is not resolved and you are getting some other issues in same system, so please comment me. I will give you advanced level of solutions, and I will create another video for this. Okay, thank you.